Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. And for your moon energy, this is the card, guys. And for your special love situation, that is the card. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed. And I have the pick a card love reading for you all, guys, after this general guidance, so you can stay tuned for that, Scorpios. So we have Devil in reverse, Four of Swords and King of Cups. So in your circumstances, Scorpios, maybe you are thinking about something. Maybe you are in a situation, you are making some important choices and you don't want to make any wrong choices. So whatever needs to be done, you want to make that right decision today. So you are thinking deeply about something important. So it may be your circumstance in your work situation, guys, or it may be in your relationship. Maybe you are planning something for your future, what will work or what will be the right action or what you should do or take up. Maybe you may lack clarity in certain things. You may feel that something is missing or something is not right in this connection with this person. You may love them, they may love you, and you may have a level of understanding, but something is not right. Maybe this person may have some habits, some addictive habits. That may be the reason for the way you feel today. You know about their habits and they have been quite open with you and you know everything about them, but still, maybe for some of you, you may you may hear more about this person than what you have known about them. Maybe you have known them for quite some time now, but what image you have about them or what they are telling you about them may be much lesser than what you come to know, maybe through your friends, common friends or family members. They may have their own, their own about this person, their own information about this person you are in relationship with, and maybe it is not matching with what image you have or what they are. So maybe a lot of confusion, doubts may be there, and these rumors may be quite unbelievable, but you do not have that clarity, you do not have that complete trust on this person, and avoid these rumors. So you feel that something may be true in these rumors, and that may be the reason you are worrying, guys, about them. And even in your work situation, Scorpios, you may feel that certain opportunities or offers may get delayed or suspended, or it may not be something you expected, and it is giving you a lot of stress, sadness. Maybe you may see some financial loss in your work. Something is missing, something may not go right in the right way. So let's see what is your moon energy, guys, Scorpios. We picked one card. new romantic cycle begins. So there is a change coming up in your situation, guys. Maybe if you are single and if you are looking for a new connection, there is going to be someone new, someone interesting coming your way, guys. But if you are already in a relationship, compromise is what is going to work today for you guys. Give and take. Maybe try to find that understanding. So, working with this person you love is going to help you today. So maybe this person, whatever rumors or whatever was troubling you, you need to have that open communication, heart to heart communication that is going to clear things up for you, Scorpios. So for your love messages, guys, we have discernment. So discernment just means that you need to make those choices which are going to, be the right one for you. Whatever purpose you have or whatever goals you have, these choices must align with your unique life path that is going to give you happiness. So that is what you need to make in your love, guys, in this situation. Maybe you love this person and being with them you feel really harmonious and balanced. You can go for this love. But if not, if you feel agitation, stress, anxiety when you are with them, there is no use in being in this relationship with them, because it is going to simply pull you away from that peace of mind and happiness. So whatever choice aligns with your divine self, what you truly want, what are your honest motives, you must go for that, guys. When this happens, when you realize your deepest intentions and when you understand what is your purpose, you are going to attract only the good things in your life. So that is the energy, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says 12 Dancing Princess, Enchantment. So maybe in your circumstances, in your relationship or in your situation today, you are in love with someone deeply and you are willing to let go of your dreams and freedoms for this love. You are willing to sacrifice your dreams. But before doing that, you must find out whether this love is worth it, whether this love is worth letting your dreams die. So you must think and decide for yourself, guys. Think honestly within your heart of hearts whether it will be truly worth taking up something, some greater responsibility, something that involves giving up your freedom, giving up something you love. And you need to be clear if you are making some important choices today. You must do it with clarity. And maybe whatever confusion or doubts you have today, you will find the right person, the person who will be worthy of you, worthy of your love. So that person is coming towards you. But before that, you need to understand what you truly want. You must know what is your expectation and what are your dreams. And no matter what your situation is, you are changing, you are growing so much emotionally and spiritually, and there is a greater maturity happening within yourself. You may not understand it, but you are changing so much emotionally and spiritually. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and you will be taking up greater responsibilities that involves your a lot of burdens on your shoulders maybe. But if it is something concerning you giving up something for this responsibility, you must think twice whether it is truly worth it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Carnelian. So with this Crystal Spirit, it just means that there is strength in any relationship if you allow yourself to be vulnerable, because being intimate and building that trust can only be done when you let yourself be seen truly what you really are in your heart of hearts. So you must be confident that all you have to offer to your partner, confident about all you have, and that way your relationship will flourish, guys. So this Crystal Spirits reminds you that you are a wonderful person as you are, and you can be happy, rest assured, hold your head high, because you are a good person and you can be confident thinking of that, and you are that pillar of strength, beautiful, and you are an unique spirit, and you deserve the relationship you want for yourself. And this Crystal Spirit's guidance is that universe is working that you see that you have that relationship you simply wish to have. So you can feel confident, be confident in your own skin, be who you are, trying to be really open about what you truly feel and show this other person what you are. That way you are building this relationship on truth and trust, and that will work magically, guys, and you will have a better understanding with each other. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.